Hello everyone. To provide you all with different and appropriate materials to study, we have decided to bring two or more topics together. Okay, so that you can have the options as per your interest, which one you have to start first. As Vikas sir and Mamta ma'am have started two different chapters, I am also here with new chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables, which is chapter number 3rd from NCERT textbook. Okay, so to start this chapter, we have to go through the introduction. Introduction means what are algebraic expression, what are equation, what is equation, linear equation in two variable, and then what are pair of linear equation in two variables. So first of all, let us understand algebraic expression, a combination of constants and variables connected by four fundamental arithmetical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. Okay, for example, 6x square minus 5y square plus 2xy is an algebraic expression. Okay, 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is another algebraic expression, and 3x plus 45y plus 10 is also an algebraic expression. Now, three terms relevant to algebraic expressions are constant, variables and coefficient. See, in first algebraic expression, 6x square minus 5y square plus 2xy. Here we have three terms. First term is 6x square, second term is 5y square, third term is 2x square, and all three terms are separated by sign of subtraction and addition. See, first term is 6x square. Here variable is x square. Okay, and coefficient is 6. So to know the definition or meaning of variables, coefficient and constants, we need to go through this examples separately. Okay, see, in first one, 6x square is first term. Here if x square is variable, then its coefficient is 6. Then in second term is minus y square. In second term, variable is y square and coefficient of y square is minus 5. And third term is plus 2xy. Okay, so if variable is xy, so its coefficient is plus 2. Now see third algebraic expression, which is 3x plus 45y plus 10. Here we have two variables, x and y, and this expression has three terms also separated by two addition signs. Okay, constant. What is constant? Constant is fixed or known value. So in this algebraic expression, constant is 10 because it is known. Okay, second term is definition is variables, unknown values which can vary or change. In third algebraic expression, unknown values are x and y. We don't know its actual value, so they are variables. Now coefficients. Coefficient is a numerical or constant value placed before and multiplying the variables. See, in third algebraic expression, in first term variable is x, and the numerical value multiplying x is 3. So 3 is the coefficient. In second term of the third algebraic expression, it is 45y. So 45 is the coefficient because 45 is being multiplied by y, and 10 is the constant as usual. Okay, so we are clear with algebraic expression including constant, variable and coefficient. Now equation. What is an equation? An algebraic expression with equal to sign is called the equation. For example, 6x plus 5. 6x plus 5 is what? Algebraic expression. If we equate it with 0, then it is a equation. Similarly, minus 5x plus 7y minus 6 is what? Algebraic expression with two variables. Okay, if we equate this with 0, then it is an equation. Now, linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable we have studied very well in standard 9th. Okay, what are linear equation in two variable, finding solution of linear equation in two variable, and graphical representation of linear equation in two variable. So let us recall the basics of linear equation in two variable. First of all, definition. An equation which involves two variables with highest power 1 is called linear equation. Means a equation which has two variables and highest power or degree of the variable is 1, then it is called a linear equation in two variable. For example, 3x plus 5y minus 8 equals to 0. Here we have three terms with two different variables and one constant term. Okay, and it is equated to 0. So it is a linear equation in two variable. And standard form, or general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, where x and y are the variables and c is constant. Okay, for linear equation in two variable, coefficient of variables should not be or must not be equal to 0. Okay, means x and y should have real numbers which is not equal to 0. But c is constant term, so it can be 0. C is also real number, but it can be a 0. If a or b is real number, if a or b is not equal to 0, then equation will not be in two variable. It will turn in single variable. Okay, for example, let us understand. If a is 0, then 0 multiply x is 0. So this equation will be linear equation in one variable because this term will turn to 0. Okay. Now, pair of linear equation in two variables. What are pair of linear equation in two variable? We know linear equation in two variable. A linear equation which has two variables with power 1 is linear equation in two variable. Now, if we deal with pair, means two linear equation in two variable. So what will be its standard form? We'll discuss now itself. So first go through the definition. When two linear equations are in the same two variables, when we have two linear equation with the same two variables, for example x and y, then they make a pair of linear equation in two variable. For example, see, suppose first equation is 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. This is a linear equation because we have two variables with power 1. Power of x is 1 and power of y is also 1. So this is a linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now with the same variable x and y, if we have another equation like x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Then these two equations with the same variable x and y will make a pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now standard form of linear equation in two variable. See, variables must be same for both the equations. So let us take variables x and y. Okay, so first equation will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Okay, and second equation will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. These are the linear equations in two variables where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. Okay, a1 is coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y in first equation, and c1 is constant term of the first equation. Similarly, a2 is coefficient of x in second equation, b2 is coefficient of y in second equation, and c2 is constant term of the second equation. And for these to be pair of linear equation in one variable, a1, b1, a2, b2 must not be equal to 0. Means coefficients of x and y in both the equations must not be equal to 0. Okay, now we are clear with the basic idea of pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so further next we'll discuss graphical or algebraical representation of pair of linear equation in two variable. For this to understand this, we need to refer question number 1 of exercise